Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate MCs are rare.
What is good, everybody? It's your boy Mike D back. I know it's been a little while. Been sick the last couple weeks. This sinus infection coming back and went away and then came back, and it's just been a brutal 4 or 5 days. So finally today, feeling a little bit more like myself, about 75% there. You know, some of the congestion's going away. Getting there slowly. I've been losing like crazy on the sneakers app, so I haven't really been buying anything. I'm not just gonna buy BS that I don't like. I didn't waste my time on those reflective 6, 7, 8s. I don't care if they was reflective 1000s. They're just not me. They look like ass to me, so whatever. And I'm really not a fan of those Ray Allen 7s that are coming out. So it will be another weekend of me not getting anything, and I'm just gonna hold on until I see something that I really want, whether it be an older shoe or something that comes out that I finally do really like. But this is gonna be a little bit different. So before we get into that, if this is your first time watching, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and drop some comments below. Alright? So this is gonna be an unboxing. I got one of the I did a giveaway about a month back of a Jordan Funko Pop. And then I started getting hip to it a little bit, and they did the bronze Jordan Funko Pop on the Nike, on the Footlocker app. So I was lucky to be able to get one. So I'm gonna open it up, and we'll take a look at it together. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy little folding knife thing that I got. It's pretty cool. See this? It looks like it's kind of like a wallet. Fits in your wallet. Then it unfolds like so. And you turn it around like that, and boom. This little blade, and it is sharp. Cut that side. Cut that side. And this thing is no joke, guys. We'll put that away. Footlocker receipt. Footlocker coupon. And here we go. The bronze Michael Jordan Funko Pop in 54. Alright, so let's open this up. Footlocker exclusive. Alright, so we'll open up and see what comes in here. I don't think anything crazy. Alright. So this just comes right out of plastic. And then you have MJ in all his bronze glory. And it comes with a little stand. So I'll show you what it looks like sitting on a stand. So that's it right there. Pretty much speaks for itself, not a lot to say. Hands and stuff don't really move. It looks a lot like the statue that's outside of the Bulls Stadium. So I pretty much think that that's what it's paying homage to, is that statue. So, but now I think I need 2 more to make my collection complete, and I'll get those 2 at some point. But I just wanted to bring you guys this, just something to, you know, stay active with you all until I did find something and do another review on. Maybe we'll do some car stuff at some point, but I just wanted to bring this to you guys, just to let you know what this thing looked like if you haven't had a chance to get one. Details nice though. The Bulls jersey 23, and then you can see on the back. Kind of hard to look at. So it says Jordan 23 on it. It's pretty cool. All right. So until then, I will see you guys later. I'm gonna go enjoy some of this beautiful weather. It's like 80 degrees up here in upstate New York, so we'll go outside and kick back and relax. It's been a long day of work and a long week. So, peace out, y'all.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.